Want to build a YouTube empire without ever showing your face? In 2025, it's not just possible, it's easier than ever. You don't need a studio, a camera crew, or even to show up on screen. With AI tools handling 90% of the work, you can create high-quality videos in minutes. Many channels make hundreds of $1,000s every month following this strategy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build a faceless YouTube channel step by step, using AI from start to finish. Before that, let me introduce you to an amazing AI tool called Wondershare Virbo, which I am going to use in this video. The reason for choosing this AI tool is that it can handle all the work related to making videos for your faceless YouTube channel. You can use this tool for your scripts, voiceovers, avatar, and editing. Check out the video description for the link to their website. Now let's create the faceless channel. Step 1 is choosing a niche that's both profitable and low competition. Hot niches in 2025 include AI and tech, fitness, personal finance, and motivational content. You may also watch my video on how to choose the perfect niche from the I button or video description. I am going with the health niche just for example. Head over to YouTube and create a new channel. Do some research to create a catchy and unique name for the channel. Upload a channel icon. You can use an AI-generated image with tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI. For banners, you can design unique art that matches your niche. Make sure to maintain consistency in style and colors to build a brand identity. After setting up the channel, it is finally the time to upload videos on your channel. But for that, you need content ideas that people actually care about. Use tools like Google Trends, explore Reddit forums, or even prompt ChatGPT for trending topics. For our health tips channel, let's cover 5 best snacks for weight loss. Now comes the fun part, making your video without ever showing your face. Click on the link to this website from the video description. Create an account or sign in with Google. Once you're in, you will get to see this interface. You can see different tools here, like avatar video, talking photo, URL to video, or video translation. You can start creating videos by clicking this Create Video button. But there are also many templates in Virbo to make it easier for you. Let's create with a blank canvas first. Click on the Create Video button. Select the aspect ratio for your video. I am selecting 16:9. Start by adding your script. You can write it yourself or generate it with AI inside Virbo. It's easy. Then click this button to select the voice for the video. There are many types of voices. Choose the one that suits best with your requirement. Let's use this one. You can also upload your own voiceover if you want. Now go to the avatars section. Pick your avatar. You've got hundreds to choose from. Or even animate a photo to talk. You can make your own custom avatar as well. I am using Natalia for this video. Then customize your background, upload media, drag and drop elements, and add music, all within one timeline. If you want to add texts or even stickers, you can do that here. You can even generate scenes with AI and add those to the timeline. Add more scenes if needed. Just like that, your video is production ready. No extra editing software needed. You can create your video completely inside this one AI tool. On Virbo, you can also create videos using templates. You can find the section at the bottom of your dashboard. Click on the More button to see all the templates. Check and find if there is any perfect template for your video. That might reduce your editing time. When you're happy with your video, click Export. Once it's processed, upload it to your YouTube channel. Use relevant keywords in your title and description to help the algorithm rank your video. Add tags, catchy thumbnail, pick a category, follow all other necessary steps, and hit the upload button. That's it! Your first video is published. The final step to build your YouTube empire is to monetize your channel. You can monetize with ad revenue, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. There are certain requirements for YouTube ad revenue, but you can start making money from sponsorships and affiliate marketing anytime. There is no requirement for that. Now, what sets Wondershare Virbo apart? It's beginner-friendly, powerful, and all-in-one. No need to jump between apps. It scripts, voices, animates, and edits all in one place. For under $20 a month, you're running a fully automated content machine. If you've ever dreamed of building a YouTube channel without showing your face, now's the time. Click the link below to try Wondershare Virbo and start your faceless empire today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you found this helpful. See you in the next one.